From the documents of LVCHI Geneva car exhibition unveilings comes this, another full electric offering from Shanghai-based LVCHI Auto. It's known as the Venere and it's charged, we don't know why, as a limousine. Remember that the organization's just been around since 2016, while the Venere venture just commenced a year ago working together with Italian outline furnish I.A. Institute. The organization says it plans to end up a major player in electric vehicles and begin creation of the Venere in Turin in 2019. The four-entryway four-seater accompanies some eye-popping execution claims, including in excess of 1,000 drive from its 100 kWh battery and 4 electric engines, 2 each at the back and front, that each create 185 kilowatts and an astounding 1,135 pound-feet of torque. It likewise brags a 2.5 second 0 to 62 miles per hour time, a best speed of 177 miles for every hour and a driving scope of 405 miles on a solitary charge. We'll trust these cases when the auto demonstrates them. The all-wheel drive sports auto, limo, is based on a composite case made of sandwiched carbon fiber and honeycomb for torsional and adaptable unbending nature and to restrict weight. The edge is fabricated utilizing the rooftop as a cooperative auxiliary part, joined by aluminum case bolsters connected to the front and back powertrain. It's unquestionably a pleasantly outlined, lively-looking roadster. However, we can't resist contrasting the swooping top-like back and a specific cap worn by a regiment of Death Star heavy armament specialists. Next up, LVCHI says, are another electric city car and, in the vicinity of 2020 and 2021, another SUV, multi-purpose vehicle stages and the dispatch of an elite electric car called the Urano. That auto appeared in Shanghai in January and spoke to the brand's legitimate dispatch, per Car News China. The site reports the organization is building a plant in Jilin, China with an inevitable limit of 550,000 vehicles.